Welcome back, ladies. Thanks again for tuning into my channel. For today's video, we are doing maintenance on my client without doing a silk press. So yes, you can absolutely schedule your maintenance appointment with me and not get a silk press on your hair. So for her appointment, we started off with an exfoliating scalp detox scrub to give her scalp a new start and refresh it. And then I followed up with a scalp treatment shampoo and then with a moisturizing shampoo. For her conditioning treatment, we did a deep treatment for moisture, and I also added my herbal hair oil to it so that all those nutrients that's infused into the oil can get into her hair shaft while the cuticle is open. I absolutely love conditioning this way, and when my clients do book a moisture retention treatment with me, I always add my herbal hair oil to it as well. So all of the products that I'm showing you today can be purchased on my website. I always use my leave-in conditioner, which is a lightweight moisturizing conditioner, and it also serves as a heat protectant as well. So after giving her a detailed trim, I also did a 2-strand twist on her using my curl defining foam. And when I do my twist on my clients, I like to start with a flat twist so they don't have puffy roots, and it also gives them more longevity when they decide to untwist them and wear it curly. I finished her off by lightly oiling her scalp with my herbal hair oil, and baby girl is good to go for another 8 weeks until her next maintenance appointment. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please make sure you like, share, and comment, and thanks for watching.